All right, what is going on, guys? Today is, what is it? Wednesday, the 8th of April, and I'm going to be doing a live trading video for you guys. Obviously, you guys don't normally see me do this. I'm actually looking at Asia session right now. You guys don't primarily see me doing this. I don't usually do live trading. I don't really do any sort of, analysis on Asia on YouTube or anything like that. It's mostly just for my paid community, and my mentorship. So I'm actually going to be doing a live trading video for you guys, just going to be live executing, showing you guys exactly how I trade Asia, my strategy, and everything like that. And yeah, you guys will be able to see how I execute the motion model. I'll be trading my strategy using only A+ setups that I qualify as A+ setups, obviously. And yeah, I'm excited to share with you guys. So I got an energy drink here. I just cracked it open. Sun is shining. It's very beautiful. We're very blessed, and we're gonna have a good day. And I'm excited to hop on Asia session. So, full disclaimer, or quick disclaimer, sorry. I actually am trading on some evals with a new funded account company that I found that are 1 day to pass. So I wanted to get those passed here in Asia session. Figured I would make a YouTube video while I do it. So yeah, right now I'm gonna go over my bias and just overall tell you what I'm thinking for the market. Right now, currently, I'm a little bit more focused on Asia moving to the downside, to be completely honest with you. I think that once we took out this liquidity this morning, we still had a SMT at the high, as you guys can see. I'll show you guys right here with AM high. Right, so we actually ended up making an SMT here with AM high. Okay, so there's an SMT between these two candles here. And that is what my bias is based off of, right? So this is the high on ES. This is the high on NQ, and we've had a move down since then. So I'm looking to see price continue to go to the downside. I'd like to see price just give me confirmation, a little bit more confirmation. Right now we're rejecting out of this 5 minute, we're rejecting out of 15 minute. I want to see price give me a little bit more confirmation that we are going to the downside, and that's when I will enter in my trade. So yeah, I'd like to see a little bit more of a bearish move. Right now we're in a 15 minute as well on ES. So we have this wick right here, 705 wick. And yeah, we'll see if we can end up moving to the downside or not. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking to get these accounts passed, and hopefully we will do it live. So appreciate you guys tuning in, and I'm just going to be chilling on my phone looking for setups, and when one presents itself, I will alert you guys and show you how I take it. So yeah. Right now, still, like I said, just rejecting out of this 5, still just respecting it. 15 minute on ES as well is refusing to close above. Looks like we're getting a pretty good closure on this 15 minute, or this 5 minute, sorry, candle out of this gap. It's 5 minute below on ES. I'd like to see how that gets reacted to. And yeah, honestly, I do think that this is going to be a good move to the downside here. If we can actually get this closed past this 1 minute, that's kind of what I was looking at here. And I think that could be a really good setup here. So if we can actually end up getting some volume through this 1 minute, even though there's no SMT currently active right here, I do think that we could actually get a pretty good setup through there. So we'll see if NQ wants to close. I will be going for a $3,100 take profit just to pass the accounts, and we will see what ends up happening here. So if we look at the stop loss here, it'll be, see if we actually get this close. That would be great if we do. Did not get the close. Okay. If we end up getting it on the next candle here, I'm not going to enter off this 30-second. I'd like to enter off the 1 minute instead. But yeah, if we do end up getting this close here, past the 50% of this little move up here, as you guys can see. I'd like to see us continue, because this 1 minute candle looks pretty good. If we can get a second 1 minute candle that looks the same, just bearish going to the downside. We already inversed the 1 minute on ES. We actually inversed both of them, it looks like. Or maybe just one, only one of them. But yeah, if we can get this second candle to flip bearish, I would be very confident to take this. Should be about a 50-point take profit here. And my actual draw on liquidity are 53 points, I guess, if we're going to be going for 3,100. My actual draw on liquidity is the equilibrium of this range. I'll mark it out in a second here if we end up getting this close. Okay, so we don't get the close here. But as I said before, right, we're inside of this really big 4-hour gap right here. We're probably going to be playing around in here for a little bit. Yesterday we had a big move up to the upside, just from economic news and things like that. So I'm kind of looking for us to get closer to the 50% of this range. That's more of my drawn liquidity. And we also have AM lows and stuff like that from the morning that I'd like to see us take out. But overall, yeah, I think price should continue to the downside here, and that's primarily what I'm going to be looking for. This 1 minute inversion actually might be nice out of this 15, because these 15-minute candles are actually looking to start to flip a little bit more bearish, and it looks like we'll get this 5-minute inversion here soon as well. So if we get this in the next 18 seconds, I will be game to take this short. But yeah, Asia session usually takes a little bit longer, so you guys are gonna have to be patient. I'm gonna be patient as well. It does take a little bit of a time to deliver usually, so we'll be in this for a little bit. All right, got the closure and we got our fill. So obviously we won't put our stop loss up there. I put the stop loss at the top of this range. And then we'll be putting our take profit down here. Like to see price just continue. We've got like a 20-point stop going on here. Want to just see price continue down towards these lows. We have all these lows right here, low resistance liquidity. Want to just see price get that displacement and just really move to the downside. So that's what I'm looking at right now. Look at the 5-minute time frame, see if we can get that 5-minute close as well. And yeah, hopefully we can just dump here. As I said, no internal SMT here, unfortunately, but I'm more focused on the fact that we are in a higher time frame bearish model on the 5 and 15 minute. It's more what I'm looking at, lower highs and lower lows. Getting rejections out of gaps right here, right on ES. We get some rejections there. Don't really get it on NQ, but regardless, it pushed us lower, created this low, and now I'm looking for us to continue and really finish this range, I guess, or what's it called? Go to the bottom of this range. Just leave that how it was. I'm gonna do my best to explain it here. Kind of what my thought process is. I want to make sure that you guys understand what I'm thinking the entire time here, and yeah, I want to be as helpful as I possibly can. Just give you guys a little bit of an insight into my thought process. But right now, got a bearish 15-minute candle here. It looks like on ES and on NQ. We got a pretty good rejection out of this 15-minute above on NQ as well, and this 5-minute here. So I'd like to see us just continue in this bearish candle on the 5-minute time frame and on the 15. If we can get this 5-minute inversion as well, that would be good confirmation. But that 1 minute so far was just enough for me. So yeah, we'll see if price wants to go lower. I'm pretty confident in this setup though. I think price should continue to the downside. Lower highs, lower lows. Swept out this liquidity here. Big wick, rejection, aligned with fair value gap. We should be continuing to the downside. That's what I think. I'm gonna turn this up a bit. But Asia session does take a little bit of time to play out occasionally, so I'm not going to be forcing anything. I'm not going to be getting nervous about the position or anything like that. Some tips for you guys as well. If you're trading Asia session, just understand it's going to take a while. You're going to be in trades for a long time. Like, we're only trying to catch, what, like 50 points here? 53 points, and we're probably going to be in this trade for a little bit here. So just understand that, guys. It's always the deal that you sign when you decide to trade Asia session. It is lower volatility usually, but also at the same time, you know, when big moves are made in Asia session, it's pretty predictable. We have a lot of days in Asia where we're just trending in one direction, and it's very easy to catch that move, and that's kind of what I'm looking for here. I want to see Asia just trend to the downside and continue to kind of chop around in this range. Chop around, when I say chop around, I mean get lower and then chop around in here. We'll have some days where we go up, down, but overall, we're probably going to have to rebalance and come lower towards this equilibrium. 50% of this move. That's what I'm thinking. We got this hourly candle here. It's got 30 minutes till it closes. Looks pretty good for me to go to the downside. I'm pretty confident in that, and hopefully we are able to achieve that. So yeah. And pass the account as well, which is the main focus of this. Figured I would hop on Asia, try pass some new accounts. One day to pass accounts. I'll talk to you guys about the firm at the end, and yeah, hopefully add some allocation. We're on 550Ks right now, so should be good. We got a 5-minute here on ES, right above us, that we look like we just tapped into. So ideally, I'd like to see ES get a little bit of a reversal out of that. We'll see what NQ does as well, but price should be still, like I said, trending to the downside. I want to see all these lows get taken out here. 5-minute candle will close in about 2 minutes here. I want to see us honestly flip. If we can get a flip here into a bearish candle on NQ and get a close past that 5-minute, I would have a lot of conviction that we would just continue on the next following 5-minute candles. So ideally that's what we'll get here. I would also like to see us get a closure past this wick here. Pretty crazy how slow Asia moves sometimes. We're on 3 minis right now and we're, going for 50 points. In New York, the P&L would be going up and down, up and down, up and down. Asia, it's like you can risk 3 minis and it's like the same shit as risking, fucking 5 micros on New York. That's what it feels like when the P&L is moving, at least for a majority of sessions. Obviously, there's some sessions where we get some volatility and volume, and it's still 6:30 Central Time, so it hasn't even really truly opened yet. Yeah, there definitely have been some days where I've gotten volume during these times, first couple hours, like when it opens at 5 p.m. CST, before we get the actual Asia session open at 7 p.m. I'd like to not be in this trade at 7 p.m., but with the way that Asia moves sometimes, I could be in this trade for a very long time, even though we're only trying to catch 50 points. That's just kind of the name of the game when you're trading Asia. Hopefully this 5-minute actually can close past this 5-minute gap. That would be great. Sometimes it does fake you out though in Asia. It'll make a move and then it'll wick back up right at the end. Just things that you learn when you're trading Asia for a while. And the next candle could open, yeah. Next candle opened basically right on par with the 5-minute gap. I don't think it even inversed it. I'm pretty sure it didn't. Yeah, it opened right with it. So no inversion yet, but we did get the rejection on the 5 on ES, so that's nice. The sun's finally not in my face. It's starting to set a little bit here. I just want to see this 5-minute candle flip. I'm watching the 5 and the 15-minute time frame mainly just because in Asia session usually it's kind of brutal when we get, when we're watching the 1-minute time frame and the candles are so small and they're moving really weird and everything looks bad. It's a lot easier to just look at the higher time frame, have conviction in your bias and your draw, and just look at it that way. Because for me, when I look at the 15-minute and the 5-minute, I'm like, okay, yeah, this is a good setup. We're gonna move to the downside, but when you're looking at the 1-minute, it's like, what the fuck is this? It's just a bunch of bullshit. You know what I mean? So rather just look at the 5-minute and the 15-minute and let those candles form, because we are going to be in the trade for a little bit longer than we normally would be for like an AM session trade that's only 50 points, or at least the average AM session trade that you would be taking for 50 points. think once we inverse this 5-minute, we should be good to go. Hopefully this candle can actually displace and doesn't just wick back up. If we can get some good movement on the 5 and 15-minute time frame, we should be green. Sometimes these candles in Asia will, like I said, like they'll move a little bit and then it'll just wick right back up and, you know, not really actually do anything. Alright, so we technically have an SMT here, or not technically, we do have an SMT here with this low. ES took it out. My higher time frame conviction is that we're going to continue to dump, so I'm not going to go break even, I'm not going to manage my position on that. We're still very, very close to the entry, and I don't mind if we come back up and mess around a little bit before we deliver. So yeah, I'm not going to just go break even at the first wick that I see, try to be risk free. I'm going to instead be completely fine with keeping my risk the way it is, and hopefully on ES we'll be able to have enough volume to the downside to be able to close past that wick. We got a minute left on this candle, and hopefully we'll inverse on NQ as well. I don't really like this song. Yeah, see what I was saying? Sometimes candle will move down, you'll think that it's going to go in your direction, and then it just wicks right back up. Need a big push here, let's see it. Can't be closing bullish on this. We gotta go through this low here on ES. I want to see ES move more than I want to see NQ move, honestly, right now, because I want to see ES give us confirmation that we're going to continue to the downside, because then NQ will follow. Got 30 seconds on this. I really don't want to see this turn into a green candle. Come on, NQ. Flip. Don't fucking stall around in this fucking 5-minute, dude. Okay. So the next candle actually opened, it looks like below the 5-minute. So the next candle opened below. So still got what we wanted, I guess. Technically counts as an inversion. Now hopefully this candle will just fucking dump us to that wick and way beyond it. Come on, bro. We're just at break even. We've been at break even for a long ass time. Get some sort of movement somewhere. Honestly, if I wasn't on video, I would just be like in the other room right now. I'm not gonna lie. I would have an alert set on my phone. I'd be doing something else. Sometimes Asia session just Asia session just takes a long ass time. It's just like, bruh, I'm not trying to sit here and wait for this 5-minute candle to move 2 points. Like, bruh. Our stop loss is 20 points, but it feels like it's like 100 because it's just like none of these candles have any volume. That's kind of what I was hoping for. I was hoping for us to manipulate higher into that 5-minute and that 15, and then actually just dump. But we haven't been getting much. I wanted to see that 5-minute candle on NQ flip and go to the downside, like for real, like really get some movement on it, because we haven't had too much volatility in a lot of these 5-minute candles. But we'll see. Maybe right as I say that, it'll go. I got a bunch of laundry on my bed. I gotta fold it, put it away and shit. I could do that while I'm waiting for the trade, honestly, because I'd still be on camera, but I don't really feel like it. I don't really want to do the laundry, to be honest. George, shout out George. George actually put it in the washing machine and shit, but I don't really feel like folding it and putting it away. I'll probably just put it in my drawer and not fucking fold it. All I really care about right now is just getting these fucking accounts passed. I want to add some more allocation because AM session has been decent. It's not been terrible the last couple days. I didn't take a trade today because of this big ass move, but I was pretty confident that we would have some shorts, especially after that SMT at open. I just didn't really find anything in the AM session that I liked. Do something, bruh. Do something. Give my energy to the candles and make them just go to the downside. Just make it go. Give my energy to the candles. Go. Push. Close past this wick. Make a new low of the trade. Dump 100 points on the next 5-minute candle. I'm changing it. I'm making it happen. Forcing this 5-minute candle to go down. It's going to go down. It's going to pass this most recent wick. And it's gonna fucking dump. Here it comes. The dump is imminent. I'm just waiting, man. ES, show me something, man. Do something. ES, get past that wick. Let's go. Let's get some movement. Let's get some movement to the downside. No more of this fucking up, down, stay in the same spot, bro. New 5-minute candle. Let's go. Let's dump. Let's see it. Boom. It's time to go. It's time to go towards our draw, bro, which is down. ES, make a new low. New low for ES here. Give it my energy. Go. ES. You're not making new lows, man. You're just fucking staying in the same spot, dude. Bust through that bitch. Let's go. It's time to go, man. It's time to go. It's time to get on out of here. To the lows. To the AM session low. That would be really ideal. If I was on my live account, I honestly would hold and trail until the AM low. I think that that's a super obvious draw. Damn it, I'm not trying to move that. I'm trying to move this. I don't want to mess it up. Oh, if it took that long to hit the take profit, that would suck. Stop loss is so, or the fucking position tool is so wide. This is the 5 minute, bro. If I was on the 1 minute, that shit would be huge. Bro, can't even see it on the screen. Let's just go somewhere, bro. Let's get some movement. I don't want to have to wait until 7 p.m. for some volatility, dude. This is brutal right now. ES did not make the new low. It just made 3 equal lows. Go, bruh. Go, bruh. Down, bruh. We're just fucking with the ES right now. Go, 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 go. Down, 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 down. It was low-key working. We can't stop it. It was working. Go, 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 go. Down, down, down. Bro, I'm losing my mind. I don't go on call or record videos or anything during Asia because like I just want to trade and like do whatever I'm doing. Like I'll go in the hot tub and shit and I'll trade on my phone. The day that I made 17K, I was in the hot tub on the live account. I literally was just in the hot tub. There's like a couple families behind me. They have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just on my phone fucking looking at the charts. Shorting that bitch. I shorted it. Trailed. I made like 6K on the short. And then fucking once we hit that PM low, I remember it specifically on that day. I was like, once we hit this PM low, we're going to fucking reverse. We're going to go. And we literally hit it and just went. We just fucking pumped. So like, okay, cool. I want to see the same shit today. Let's just fucking dump. Let's hit this PM low, or this AM low technically is what I'm actually looking for. But yeah, I don't think that price is gonna pump after we hit that AM low. I think we'll probably go for a little bit here. To the downside. I think Asia will probably trend to the downside. Maybe London will like accumulate and shit. And then AM, I'm not sure. Maybe we'll dump again, depending on where we end up in Asia and London, but we'll see. All I know right now, bro, is I just want to see ES make this new low. Because right now we're just making equal lows and edging it. I know as soon as we break through that low, we're going to go on ES. I just know it. Right here. Once we break through this low, we're going to fucking dump. I just know it, because I know exactly, like, bro, when I watch Asia, I'm like, I know exactly when price is going to get some volume and volatility, bro. Like, I just know. We go through this low right here. We get a little bit of movement through it. We're going to fucking dump. Right now, we're just kind of edging around. Ooh, even in the next 30 seconds, this 5 minute candle closed past this low. Oh my gosh, it would go. Next candle would fucking dump. It's like, geez, dude. Just waiting on this shit right now. It's gonna fucking keep these equal lows, and then we're gonna be like, holy shit, dude, in this trade for an hour and a half. I'm just fucking yapping my dick off, bro. Alright, we made a new low on ES. The candle just has to actually close past it and keep going. Oh my gosh, we just opened so high. On ES, I already know we did. So much higher than that low, look at that. Tap this 5, bro. Let's just go. Let's just get down here. Stop playing games with these 5 minute candles with no volatility, bro. Let's just dump. Just get down and get on out of here, bruh. Let's go up the downside. on, 5-minute candle reverse. Reverse hard. Let's see it. Start this dump. Actually start the dump. Don't just fucking wick and then go back up, man. Start this fucking dump. Actually get some volume towards our draw. Sun's back in my face again. Let's keep going here. Don't just wick us and go back up. Let's just actually keep dumping here. Asia likes to do this where we'll just wick and then come back up and we'll be back where we were at. Make a fake move to the downside and then come back up and fucking chop around again. I'm really hoping that's not what we're doing right now. It's very possible it is though. Like, dude, I just want to see us just go in any direction. Ideally down, obviously, but yeah, it's like, man, you gotta wait so fucking long for your take profit sometimes on Asia. But when it hits, it's worth it, especially when you're in heavy size. It's fire. For this, it's like whatever, you know what I mean? It's evals. It costs like $500. If I was on my live account and shit and I was in like fucking 10 minis, then I would be a little more excited. 50 points on 10 minis would be, you know, 10K. Real money, obviously, too, so it actually fucking goes to a bank account tomorrow, but this is just evals. Just need to get some allocation, wake up, then get the fucking whatever. These are 3-day payout accounts, too, so if I can actually get these passed today, hopefully they'll be activated tomorrow, and then on Thursday, which is tomorrow, I'll get the first winning day. Friday, I'll get the second winning day, and then Monday, hopefully, we should be able to take a good payout on them, depending on how I risk. I think I'm going to probably go 2 minis instead of 1 mini for AM session when I'm risking on them. And we'll see if I trade Asia. I might just leave these as the live trading accounts. Maybe I'll start trading Asia with some live funds. I didn't want to trade with live funds at all this week just because of the bullshit that's been going on. And I'm in kind of on a heater with the live funds, so I just wanted to chill out a little bit. Putting a lot of risk on is still nerve-wracking, you know what I mean? When I'm risking 10 minis, you know, you're floating a few $1,000s sometimes within seconds, or you could be negative a few $1,000s within seconds. So it's definitely something to adjust to, and you know, like right now, bro, $200 is like one fucking point sometimes on these high leverage trades, you know. So like this just doesn't mean shit. Even fucking like, bro, I don't even have to go break even on this shit. I just want to see it hit take profit. I don't care how long it takes. Like, just need to get some allocation here. But on the fucking live account, so this is a little more exciting. 10 minutes until the new hour. Hopefully we can just get some fucking move in some direction. Not to the upside, to the downside, obviously. But holy shit, bro. Let's just get something here. Just been wicks on the 5-minute time frame. Wicks in either direction. Super indecisive. No volume. Got nothing right now. But hopefully when it goes, it goes. And it goes to the downside. We also got this 5-minute right here. I mean, I don't think it matters, but we have wicked it every time, so I'll just mark it out here. Every time we've wicked it, we go to the upside, so we'll see if we can just break through this and actually get a good closure. I want to see ES get to the downside too, man. This is a lot of playing around. We have inversed the 15 a while ago to the downside on ES, and we do have some rejections from right here out of this 15, so I'm just waiting for us to get that candle flip where we just actually go. If this 15-minute candle flipped bearish, ooh, we would go, dude. We would go. This is brutal. Think about how long we've been in this trade to only be up $40, basically at the entry. Yeah. You gotta be strong-minded to trade Asia session. You gotta be patient for sure. And like, even think about when you're not in a trade, just waiting for your setup. It's like, holy fuck, dude, I just want to be in a trade. It's cooked, bruh. Shit's dragging. Beat's getting up there, though. Oh, bruh. Let's get a move on here. You guys are lucky. You get to skip the video because obviously when this is posted, you'll already know the result of this trade. So you guys are lucky. You get to just fucking skip through the video. I gotta fucking sit through and watch this shit. I got a, leave your favorite energy drink brand in the comments below. I got a Reign here. It is the white haze flavor, as you guys can see. Let me know what your guys' favorite energy drink flavor and brand is in the comments. That's how I'll know if you're actually watching the video, if you just skipped to the end to see if I won or lost. I mean, obviously we're gonna win, because I'm a genius market maker. But yeah, let me know about those energy drink flavors, bruh. Let's just get a move on here. I wonder if you guys can actually hear the music as well as I think you can. Hopefully you can, because otherwise I'll look like a fucking idiot. Alright, here we go. Don't wick us. Don't fucking piss me off and shit. Dude, this is so stupid. I feel like I want to be like, yeah, we're getting some movement, but it's gonna wick us, bro. Like, I already know. I'm not stupid, dude. I already know how this shit goes, man. Look at it. It's wicking already. I already know this 5 minutes just bullshitting us, dude. It's not really going to the downside. It's just wicking us, dude. Look, I just know. I just know it's wicking us. If it actually could get a fucking fat closure, sure. Maybe I'll believe that that's where we're going. But right now, it's just jerking me. Playing around. Oh, man. Fix my chair. The arm of this chair is wobbly as fuck. I hate that passing fucking evals is such a chore, dude. It's the worst. It's like, dude, I just want to trade my shit. That's why I like live funds so much. It's great. You just fucking deposit that bitch from the bank. Obviously, it's your real money, right? So it's a little more stressful. But straight from the bank, get to trade it next day or same day, depending when you deposit it. And then it's like, dude, like, make the money and just withdraw it. No prop firm rules, no nothing, no eval, no fucking wasting time. Like, dude, I could be on this on my live account, taking the same trade. Let's say I'm in just 3 minis, same exact thing. I'd probably risk like 5 if I was on my live on this, but yeah, that would be another 3K, and that would be 3K to the bank. That would be like, you know, it'd feel like more like, you know, worth my time. But I'm good because I can make some content out of it. I can make YouTube video. I can show you guys how I trade Asia, just my thought process, and just being patient and dealing with the bullshit. You know what I mean? Because when I post these big Asia gains and stuff, like people ask me like, "Oh, how are you trading Asia?" Blah blah blah. Like a big thing that helps me trade Asia is just looking at the higher time frame, bro. Like I said earlier, like we've been in this trade for what, like 30 minutes or so now, and you know, normally 50 points shouldn't take 30 minutes to go, right? Sometimes in an AM session it will, whatever. But there's like very, very little volatility, especially right now before Asia session even actually technically opens. We have another 2 minutes until it truly opens. But yeah, I mean, looking at the higher time frame and just looking at the overall structure in the market is what helps me, because I'm looking for big trends. I'm not just looking to catch like, you know, 50 points. Like obviously I'm catching 50 points right now, but I'm looking to catch like big moves when I'm trading Asia with a lot of contracts. Like for example, my best trade on Asia, I think to this date was 5 minis, 100 points on alpha, and that was on 3 accounts. So that was like 30K in one trade. Obviously I had my live account trades where I would take like, you know, I would trade like 10 cons, but I wouldn't be taking, you know, 100-point moves or anything like that. So yeah, it's just nice, you know, to be able to look at the higher time frame, look at where things are trending. Like for example, like I know that this is going to trend to the downside for a while because of this SMT that we made at AM session, and you know, and we failed to actually sweep that again, and we're just going to continue lower. And I think that this is the same thing, right? We come up here, we tap into this 15-minute gap on ES, but we didn't on NQ, and we start to get a move to the downside. And I just want to see it continue, man. I just want to see it trend and just dump, and in 30 seconds the new hour will open, and hopefully we will be correct in our direction and continue to see price get some volume to the downside. It's been moving a little bit now in the 5-minute time frame, but never know what can happen in the new hourly open. Looks good though. I'd like to see us just actually get a strong close here and not just do this wick shit that we're doing. But we'll see. Regardless, like I said, it's an eval. It's like $500 to get these accounts. All right, opens up. Official Asia session is now here. Hopefully we can actually get some direction. It's a little bit better here. Hopefully it's not wicking us. It's not faking us out, not doing any BS. We will see if it continues down. Looks like it should though. I'm pretty confident. We were almost a third of the way there for a second. A third of the way to passing these accounts. Oh, dude, that's so brutal. Hopefully we can just get a strong 5-minute close here, and a 15-minute close would be good too. Past this gap would be awesome. We shall see. Alright, so we got ES coming down here into this 15-minute. We'll see what happens here. That's the previous 15-minute that we had rejected out of. So we're in there. We got NQ taken out this low. Gonna go break even here, manage my position like that, and hopefully we will just continue past this wick, continue past this 15-minute gap, disregard it, and then continue to our draw on liquidity. And maybe, depending on how much volume we have, I will stay on until we hit the AM low, which is what I think will most likely happen during this session. Off to a good start though. We're actually able to deliver off of the open, so hopefully we are correct about our draw and we continue in that direction. First 5-minute candle is great. I like to see this volatility come back into the market, and now it's just going to be about if we can close past this wick or not. That's what it's really going to come down to. So I will wait. ES has not taken out this low yet. I'd like to see it come and take it out pretty soon though, just so that we don't have an SMT inside of this 15. Don't want to have any possible chance for a small retracement. Come on, ES. Here we go. Equal lows and take it. Take it, ES. Take the low. Take the low. Don't do this to us. Take the low. There it is. ES took the low. Halfway there. Hopefully we continue. Next 5-minute candle will be crucial. This 15-minute leg down right now is good, but always possible for us to wick back up. So I'd like to see this 5-minute get a strong close in the next minute and a half here. Not do this, what it's doing right now. This is not what I was looking for it to do. We want to see it just completely run through all these gaps. Check my copy trader, make sure these accounts aren't behind. I don't want to get this to hit take profit and then it doesn't actually register it, you know? All right, really, really good here. A lot of volume on this. Looks good. Next 5-minute candle is going to be crucial to see if we continue. We just tapped into this 5-minute gap on ES as well. Just something to be aware of. All these little places for price to retrace. We'll see if it respects it or not. Looks good on ES, looks really, really good. Asia just dumping. New 5-minute is open. Let's see what it does here. I would really, really, really like to see us deliver on this 5-minute candle. I think this could be the end of our trade if we can just get it to just flip. If it doesn't go up and it doesn't, you know, actually just continue to run up and kind of chop around for a bit, if it just immediately flips, we should be seeing a take profit here very, very soon. That's what I think, especially seeing all that volume. Big displacement candle towards our take profit. So let's see. Like you can see here, I marked out this 5-minute here on ES, and 15-minute looks super good right now. Yeah, I just want to see this get this flip here. We have a small 1-minute S&T at the low, which I don't like. Not an ideal 1-minute candle. If this could just completely flip, that would be ideal. Sometimes price will do that, where it'll dump in a direction or pump in a direction and then completely go back and ruin all the progress it made, you know what I mean? Especially being inside this 5-minute here on ES. It's just something I'm watching out for. And 15-minute as well, actually. I didn't even remember that. We're in the 15 here on ES also. Not in any sort of hourly though. Hourly candle still looks good. Still looks like it's going towards our take profit, so I'm pretty happy about that. Just want to see us hit this, man. Just want to see us continue with this Asia volume. This 5-minute candle ends up closing bearish. We should be really really close. I don't even want to see this candle close bullish. Let's just flip it. It's time to go. We're dumping. We know the draw. We know where price is going. Not worried about any of this nonsense. Let's just flip it here and hit our take profit. No time to waste here. Just flip it. Dump through this 5 minute on ES. Dump through this 5 minute on NQ right before our take profit and just spank that bitch. You guys can get a great video and we'll all be happy. I'll get some allocation. You guys will get a good video. Everyone's going to be happy. I want to make sure that my copy trader doesn't fuck this up because sometimes it does that and I really don't want it to hit take profit and then one of the accounts is passed and all the other ones aren't, you know what I mean? Especially being Trade Syncer. Trade Syncer is very, very shit. But Trade Copy has not been working for me recently. I'm not sure why, so. Yeah. This should be enough, I think. Come on, 5 minute. Let's flip. Want to see it flip on ES here. Come on, 5 minute. Come on, 5 minute. Let's see some volume. Let's get a move to the downside. The open was super, super good, and I was super happy about that. Now it's just going to be about getting down there. This song is fucking garbage. Let's put on some rap. Maybe that'll change up our luck. Not that we're unlucky right now. We're doing great. Price is going in our direction. Come on, 5 minute. We're halfway to pass right now. Here we go, 5 minute. Last 20 seconds. You can flip bearish. Let's see it. Here it is. ES needs to flip here. ES flips and NQ will follow. Come on, ES. Come on, ES. Okay, it didn't flip, but it is good. It's not a bad close. Here it goes. Let's see it. Let's make a new low of this trade. $15-minute looks super strong. I'm honestly just gonna watch this on the 15. Looks super clear on the 15 that we're just gonna dump. Come on, man. 3 minutes on this 15-minute candle. Can we hit take profit before it closes? That would be great. 20 more points on this candle would be crazy, though. Would be a good 15 minutes of first 15 minutes of Asia session, though. We really need to get a close on ES past this 5 minute, man. This 5 minutes been holding us. Right here. It really seems like that's what's kind of slowed the trade down. $15 minutes, still looking for the close past this here, and past this candle. This is so annoying. It's gonna fucking drag. It better not do this. It better not just fucking come past this right at the end of this 15-minute period and just fuck it. That would really be annoying. Because then it's gonna, yeah, dude. This is annoying as fuck. It's the 5 minute, dude. The 5 minute was totally fucking us. We're reversing. Yeah, we're gonna get break even on this, dude. I fucking knew that would happen, dude. That's so frustrating. That's so frustrating. I knew that 5 minute was doing some shit, dude. I knew it. I would be very surprised if we didn't get break even on this next candle. That fucking 5 minute, dude. ES does that sometimes where we'll tap into a gap on ES and it'll just fuck the whole thing. Even if NQ has no gaps that we've tapped into, ES will lead the way. And like I said, like I really wanted to see ES close through that gap, and man, sometimes it'll do that. It'll fuck you like that. So I'll be very surprised if this next 5 minute candle doesn't bring us to our break even point. Like I said, very, very, very surprised if it doesn't. I'm not trying to be negative either. It's just I've seen this happen so many times where ES will tap into something and NQ doesn't, and ES will just completely lead the way on the reversal or the retracement or whatever it is. Yeah. Which is rough, but I mean, it's just how it goes sometimes. It's frustrating just because we've been in this trade for so long, you know what I mean? Just want to get these accounts passed and be done. But yeah, that's brutal, man. This is cooked. If this 5 minute candle goes green, it's very possible we're going to be out of this trade. We're going to be done. It's annoying, but it's possible. Because we did reject that 15 on ES as well. And didn't even close past that wick on NQ, so hopefully we'll still hit take profit. But I have seen this happen a lot. Yeah, I'm just waiting for it. I know it's coming, that's why. I know it's coming. I know the break-even's coming. I know it's coming. I can see it. Just move it here so we don't get any slippage on the accounts. Oh man, it better continue lower, man, cause fuck, I don't think it will though. Fuck, this looks like we're gonna get reversed. And I don't mean to be super negative. I just can tell the way that price is moving on ES is just, it's gonna cook us here.
Easy, aren't you scared to turn it up and go to church?
All right, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I really want to see this hit though. We've been in this trade for a long time. All right. Come on, 15-minute. Hold strong for us. All right, dump. Dump now. Here we go. Dump now. Now. Let's go. Let's see it. Let's see a big ass dump. Just fucking shit the bed, dude. Just dump it. Just dump it. Just dump it, bruh. The most annoying part is we already hit a 1 to 2 on this, I'm pretty sure. Okay, barely. Yeah, we didn't. Fuck! It's gone, dude. It's cooked. Dude, I hate this shit. This is so annoying. We were in this trade for so long. This is so brutal. I knew it was coming, too. I could just see it, bro. Unless we sweep Asia high and just flip, I don't think we're going to. But we're going to be cooked on this trade, I think. Fuck! That's so annoying. I knew ES was doing some shit, dude. That's brutal. I'll just trade these accounts in the morning, but holy fuck. So annoying. At least you guys got to see how I execute and things like that, too. Yeah, just the way ES is moving, bro. I can just tell it's on some snake-ass shit, dude. I just know it. You just tell. I can just see it. Go ahead. Go ahead. Just do it. And I'm down on all my accounts, 60 bucks. So I don't know. I hate TradeSyncer. Terrible copy trader. All right, boys. Well, that was your video. It's an hour long. We were really, really close to hitting it. We were 2/3 of the way to passing these. I'll just pass them tomorrow. But holy fuck, that was annoying. Take profit was... Yeah, we were so close, boys. It's brutal, but it's okay. We get it. We understand it. That's how price goes sometimes. We do have an SMT here. Maybe we'll flip, but appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.